500 litre stainless steel ribbon blender with dust hood and curtains, complete with loading frame, aluminium checker plate base, manual slide valve with grid finger guard underneath it, 7.5 kilowatt worm drive gearbox motor, platform, controls complete with timer, dust hood and curtains with extraction ports at the top for external extraction, safety switch for the lid, bag rest grid complete with 6mm sieve screen on top of it, and interrupted ribbon blade with inner blade and outer blade counter-angled against each other for a faster, more efficient mix. 500 litre stainless steel ribbon mixer.